Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January the 5th, and here in this video I'm going to take a look at the long-term chart of the uranium ETF. This is the uranium miners, URA, and the symbol, and this is a monthly time frame here. Now 2025 has been a pretty good year for the uranium sectors and also the uranium miners, and we are looking for continuation of that bullish market for 2026. So we're looking for as you can see, we made a major low here, super cycle low at 695, and then from there we are starting a new bullish impulsive move up. We're calling this as a nest 1212, right? And if you just simply measure the extension, for example using this one over here, now we reached the 1.618, but we should continue to see more upside here. Let's use this secondary one to here. Now it's also reaching 1.618. As you can see, a lot of 1.618 extension has been reached. The last couple of months has been sort of sideways in the URA, but if we take a look at the lower time frame, the daily, it looks like we have made another low to start the year and then starting to rally higher again. Now we still need to break above this previous peak to confirm that the low is in place, that we are ready to start the next leg up this year. But otherwise, yeah, it looks pretty good. You can see the last pullback here was a corrective structure, right? It looks corrective, it doesn't look impulsive here, and as a result, as long as we stay above this previous important low here, 1950, we should be extending higher. And the alternate is that we could be doing a double from here. Let's say we can even do this 1 2 3 ABC and then sell off again like this, creating a bigger three-ways down. Now if it does happen like this, then I'm gonna move the one in blue to the upside here like this, and then that pullback will be the two in blue. But otherwise, if we could continue to extend higher, which is the more aggressive view, then we should be doing a nest from here 1 2 1 2, and then ready to extend higher from where we are. Okay, so that's the idea here. Now we don't cover URA in our service, but from time to time we are looking at other stocks, other instruments that we don't cover, usually in a long-term outlook. Now if you do want to check our service, we do cover a lot of other stocks, ETF, indices, Forex, commodities, cryptos. You can check our service. We're still running a promotion for the new year, so you can save some money by subscribing our plan with the current promotion. Okay, also you can always try to take 14 days trial for those who are new, and I will provide the link to the trial, 14 days trial, in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.